Monday morning to all of you. It is Monday, April 26th. It's the last week of April. So we head into May this next weekend, which is super exciting. And today it's also supposed to be beautiful out within the 60s, I believe. So definitely make sure today at some point you get outside and enjoy the day. So let's take a look. This final week of April, we are going to be preparing and getting ready to end chapter 8. And so today specifically, we're going to tie up lesson 4. And so you'll see the learning target is the same as a few of the days last week when we were working with volume. I can find the volume of prisms. So the first thing that you're going to do today on this first video is create a chapter 8 formula sheet for your test on Friday. And so you will need a lined sheet of paper here in just a minute and your pencil. And have that ready to go so that we can set this test form, this formula sheet up for you, so you can have it right beside you on Friday when you take the test. There's 4 formulas, actually 5 formulas that we went through and learned in chapter 8. So we want to make sure you have those in front of you on Friday. Before we do that really quick, let me just explain the rest of the day. After we create the formula sheet, we'll head into another short video at number 2. And I'm just going to get you set up on the warm up on that quiz to practice some volume problems. And then afterwards, you're going to work on a worksheet doing some rectangular and triangular and possibly some cube volume problems. There's 2 sides to it. So if you are in person, your crew teachers have it and they will hand that out to you. If you're at home, there is a link there for you for virtual front side and back side. And that is due today. So you'll turn those in if you're in person to your crew teacher. And otherwise, if you are virtual, you are sending those to your math teacher. Send a picture of those, please. So since this is test week coming up on Friday, again, I'm going to talk about the Chapter 8 graded checklist. So in 2 places here, I have that this is due April 30th on Friday, on test day at 11:59. It's also over here in the coming up Chapter 8 graded checklist due on Friday. So again, take a look. We've had 3 Alex weeks within this chapter. And so those 3 weeks, March 22nd through the 28th, April 12th through the 18th, April 19th through the 25th, those all have to be caught up and turned in prior to Friday. After Friday, so the following week, on May 3rd, when we start chapter 9, those 3 Alex weeks will not be accepted anymore. So if you are behind, if you are missing an Alex, please make sure that you are getting caught up before chapter 8 ends. And if you make up some Alex time topics, please let me know or one of your math teachers know. Send us an email so we can make sure we check that for you. And then just, again, looking through the list, you have some items in Schoology for Chapter 8 that we've completed, a couple worksheets. Tomorrow, you're going to also have a Lesson 4 volume quick check, so that's added on there as well. And honestly, just take a look at Power School and see if you have anything missing. See if there are zeros anywhere in there prior to Friday. Because if you email on Saturday, you email Monday, May 3rd about making something up or opening something back up, we won't be doing that. So make sure you are on track to have everything done, caught up by Friday, April 30th. Okay, so this week's Alex, so starting today through Sunday, May 2nd, that will go on the next chapter. That will go for chapter 9. So you'll see over here and coming up, the 5 topics that are due again May 2nd, this week's, that will go with chapter 9. Okay. So I'm going to meet you back here in the next video once your formula sheet is complete. So again, what you should be getting ready right now is lined paper and a pencil. And I'm just going to bring this up and show it to you. You are going to write this down. And again, these are 5 formulas that you need for the test on Friday. So you're going to create this sheet for yourself. And then once you create this sheet for yourself, you're going to, it'd be great if actually you put your name on it. And even your crew teacher, you're not turning it in, but at the same time, it'd be good that it had your name on it. You put it in a safe spot until Friday, and you can use this Friday on the test. Okay, so you're going to complete that right now. You're going to get that done. As soon as that's done, as soon as that's complete, you're going to meet me back in this next video to get you get you ready with your warm up and your worksheet. So I'll meet you back here in just a minute.